Disasters can strike with little to no warning. That's why it's important for preparedness-minded individuals to make sure that they have the skills, tools, and technologies to take care of their friends, families, and loved ones. One of the most common disasters are wildfires. These can be devastating, widespread, and unfortunately very common. Are you prepared to handle such a situation? In our daily lives, one needs to look no further than the news media to see the impact and devastation that these fires can cause. Canadian wildfires in particular are the largest on record and continue to cause devastation across the country. Additionally, fires like the one in Maui seemingly came out of nowhere and caused widespread death and disaster, stranding many people and ultimately leading to their deaths. September is National Preparedness Month, and MIRA Safety is helping out by providing equipment and kits at a discount that you can use to make sure that you're prepared. In this video, we're going to discuss the Fire Escape Pro Kit from MIRA Safety. The premium wildfire and house fire emergency kit. It includes the CM-6, the flagship respirator of MIRA, and two of the new VK530 smoke filters. It comes with a handy safety drop leg mask carrying pouch that provides storage. The mask has an expansive field of view, giving you enhanced spatial awareness and not blocking your vision when it matters the most. MIRA's products are trusted worldwide by numerous police and government agencies in the Czech Republic, Norway, Portugal, Chile, Saudi Arabia, Turkey, Kuwait, Latvia, and Lebanon. The kit is built around the CM6 tactical gas mask. It has a full-face visor that is impact-resistant to protect you from flying debris. It comes standard with a speech diaphragm, allowing you to speak audibly to other people that you may need to communicate with. The mask is designed for sea-burn defense and emergency preparedness. This is chemical, biological, radioactive, and nuclear fallout. The mask is comfortable and creates a vacuum seal to your face, and this is in part due to the bromo-butyl rubber that offers superior protection. The MIRA Safety mask can use any NATO standard 40mm gas mask respirator. In the case of this kit, it comes with two of the VK530 smoke and carbon monoxide filters. It's an enhanced gas mask filter that protects a user from full spectrum of sea-burn threats. It provides up to 30 minutes of protection against concentrated smoke inhalation. It has a lightweight and rugged aluminum construction. Each of these filters come individually packed and vacuum sealed for long, stable shelf life. The kit comes with a drop leg military pouch. The pouch comes with adjustable and removable leg and shoulder straps, giving you a variety of mounting options or ways to carry your kit. Some of the key features are the rugged mask boasts an impressive 20-year shelf life. It's a full-face respirator. It's constructed of sturdy bromo-butyl rubber, which meets sea-burn protection standards. The VK530 filters provide effective filtration of smoke, soot, and harmful particulate during fires. The filters are vacuum full sealed. This makes them usable in low oxygen environments with as little as 17% oxygen. The VK530 offers comprehensive NBC threat protection, protecting one from toxic chemicals. You can get the Fire Escape Pro Kit for $349.95 plus shipping. If you bought all of these components individually, the mask, the filters, the drop leg pouch, the total would be $491.92. That's why buying this kit makes sense. Let's take a look at the MIRA Safety CM-6M Modern Full Face Respirator. Inside the box, we have the mask itself, we have an instruction manual, a warranty card, and a canteen. Taking a look at this mask, you can see the wide face shield that is on the front of this mask. And as mentioned, this is impact resistant to provide added protection and offers an 83-degree field of view. The bulk of the mask is made out of this rubberized material that creates a vacuum seal to your face and offers you enhanced protection. The mask has two filter ports, one on either side. This port has a stop or a plug in it that can be removed. You can go with dual filters. Now the kit comes with two filters, so that might be an option for you. The filters are easy to attach, and as I mentioned, you can use any 40mm filter for this particular mask. This is an optional add-on that I have. This is not the filters that come with the kit, which we'll take a look at in a few seconds. On the back of the mask, you have a multi-point harness that comfortably attaches to your head, and then you have this neoprene mesh on the back to hold the mask in place. In here you can see the one-way speech diaphragm, and then you can also see that there is a drinking straw. The straw can be manipulated and put in your mouth to get a sip from your canteen. The canteen hooks up through this straw port on the side. There's a valve on here to turn your canteen on and off. Let's take a look and see how this attaches. Here is a keeper on the side of the mask where you can attach your drinking straw. At the end of your port, you have rubberized protection here where you can open up your drinking straw port and then just go ahead and plug it into your canteen. The canteen quickly connects to the drinking straw. That way you can have a sip of water or your favorite beverage without taking off your mask. Now, one of the things that I'll recommend is that while drinking from this, it's best to hold the canteen in an inverted position. I've seen in other videos where folks have squeezed this and struggled a little bit to get their fluid out. The canteen has a specialized rubberized port to protect the contents in the canteen and prohibit any kind of harmful contaminants from getting into your drinking water. Let's take a look at the filters that come with the kit. These filters come vacuum sealed in this aluminum foil. The filter has a sticker on it that has some markings. It tells you the model designation and gives you some information about this particular filter. You can go ahead and remove this protective cap and then connect your filter to your mask. Now, because the mask is airtight, you need to open up or activate your filter. And that's as simple as removing that rubber plug. Inside, you can see the filter apparatus. The pouch is constructed of a heavy and durable nylon. The contents are protected by this fast buckle that has an adjustable strap. You also have Velcro fields if you wanted to put any kind of identifier or patch on your bag. The bottom of the bag has moisture control via this weep hole. You have D-ring buckles on either side of the pouch, giving you a variety of mounting options. This is the drop leg portion. This would be mounted to your tactical duty belt. And then you could use these additional straps, which are removable here, to adhere this pack or mount this pack to your leg. The pouch also has a waist strap. When you open the pouch, you can see that there's a drawstring. This is shock cord. In the pouch, you can store various things. Different types of filters, your mask and canteen. If you're interested in safety products such as this mask or anything else, check out MIRA Safety. There'll be a link below.